How to fix insufficient storage error in Zenless Zone 0. So in order to fix this issue, you first need to free up some space. For that, you just have to check your storage. So you need to use your device's built-in storage management tool to see how much space is available and what's taking up the most space. On PC, you can use the disk management tool. On mobile device, storage settings can usually be found under settings. Then you need to look for large files you can delete, like unused apps, games, videos, or music. You can also consider moving files to an external storage device. In the second method, you just have to reinstall Zenless Zone 0 only if the first method doesn't work for you. For that, you need to completely uninstall Zenless Zone 0 from your device, whether it is your PC or your mobile device. While not always necessary, consider clearing the game's cache or temporary files to remove any residual data that might be taking up space. This option may be available within the game's settings or your device's management tools. With enough free space available, you need to reinstall the Zenless Zone 0 game. This ensures a clean installation without leftover files that might be causing storage issues. So with the help of these instructions, you will be able to fix the insufficient storage error in Zenless Zone 0. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.